Hello!
No!
What's
No!
happening?
No! Mouse.
Oh, it's not working again?
I unplugged and replugged everything.
Okay.
Hello!
Hello!
Hello, it's okay. We have a mouse. Everything goes good. Hello, everyone.
Everything goes good.
First Monday dev with Boo.
We break everything. That's
Oh,
true.
yeah. You
It's
know,
a mess lately. I don't know what's happening.
since 1 week, everything is breaking. It's crazy. How are you, everyone? I'm not good. I'm angry at USB device.
We are tired trying to fix stuff.
Yeah, it's tiring to try to fix stuff constantly. Since last Saturday, we had a big broken
Screen cable.
screen cable, and it caused us to make the stream much later. We thought it was fixed. It's not fixed. So we can share one of the screen today, not two, unfortunately.
Yes, the other person's work is going to be a mystery
Secret.
to you. Secret.
Yeah, we guys
You
always
have to
break
come
stuff.
to Discord to see it.
I think there's an electric problem in the house, probably.
Yeah, that's what we are trying to do. We are waiting for the electrician to come since 1 year. But there is also flooding happening here, so everybody is super busy.
Yeah.
People are asking to redo all the electrics, all the pipes that are broken. We are living in the flood region, so it's hard to find a proper electrician.
Yeah, I think
Since
we need an
months now,
ondulator or
since at least
something like
2-3
that
months,
to
so-
stabilize the electricity.
Yeah.
Because stuff that are plugged constantly, they keep breaking.
I cannot use, for example, to clean here a vacuum cleaner because it just explodes the whole thing, which is like it's
Well,
just
it
a
doesn't
vacuum
explode,
cleaner.
it just break the...
Well, it was hot last time and
Yeah.
we were scared. So yeah,
yeah.
I don't like to deal with electrics. It's dangerous.
So I'm quite sure that there was a fluctuation in the current and maybe the card that captured the cable burned or something.
Yeah, probably.
It's very hot. I don't know.
We
I will
have to
try.
buy another cable and give that back maybe.
Yeah,
because
it's
we
still
just
on the
recently
guarantee,
bought it.
so
Yeah.
it's still under warranty, so I will send it back. Maybe they will be able to tell me what's wrong. I will also try it with another computer. We never know. But it's a mystery.
Sniff.
Sniff. So, today,
Hey.
we will work on patisserie.
Yes. What is patisserie?
What is patisserie?
Oh, we should make a
Glad
comment
you
for it.
ask.
I'm glad you asked.
Of course the button doesn't work. Okay, whatever. I'm glad you asked.
Ay.
I will use the magic mouse. Hello.
Hashtag streamer life.
Yes. Look, we are so prepared that we are not even on top right. Everything goes good. Take care. Okay, perfect.
Wow.
So,
Okay.
patisserie.
Back to being serious.
Being serious.
We are trying to get money from
from Twitch.
from Twitch as much as possible without any cuts.
Yes.
We cannot do that for subs. We don't care about ads, but at least if people give us bits, don't want to give their money
30% to
30% to another extension, and we just want them to,
that's the
that's
the capitalistic way of Boo, but we also want to have fun to have our own extension.
That's true. We also have this patisserie idea, French patisserie idea, that we just want to make donuts and waffles and croissant and things like that. So it's just having fun designing, also coding. We like that thing. But also when you think about it, Twitch takes half of, at least minimum 20-30% of
30%,
everything.
yeah.
So it's a little bit annoying. And if we can have our own extension,
Yeah.
we can get all the sweet
Well,
money.
the developer will take 10%.
Yeah, the
As
developer
per
designer
Twitch
will
policy.
take 10%.
Per
So,
Twitch policy.
Yeah.
No, it's also fun
The
to
other
have,
80 goes to the streamer, which is us.
for me, it's mostly to customize our channel and have fun.
I think it's fun.
Because there's many extensions that
it's
exist
also-
in the world of Twitch, but they don't fit us perfectly. For instance, there's one that is...
there's one that has coffee, but
Yes, that was the example I was
it's
going to
okay.
explain. So there's one that has coffee, for instance,
Yeah.
but it fits more me and not Boo at all.
No, I don't drink
So
coffee.
He doesn't drink coffee. So that doesn't work.
Eh.
So we
We
wanted
were
to
just
create.
speaking about that on IGC community actually. Links, I see you're
Mhm.
here. Maybe if you're here, if you're not looking, we were speaking about the tea that we drink, etc. That she had nice Turkish apple tea, but there was the fly, the moth that also I had once in my
Yeah.
tea cupboard,
Yeah,
and we
that's
had
bad.
to throw everything, and it was very, very sad.
That's very bad.
And I had to say goodbye to certain tea that I bought from Marché
Certain
Noël,
tea.
which is like Noël markets, Christmas markets, and it was from Alsace
Mhm.
when we went, and I was really, really emotional about it because it was such a nice weekend, and it was reminding me that time, and we were having fun.
Well, we have to go back to
So
Alsace.
yeah, we have to go back.
That's the
I
solution.
didn't buy it back since 2 years. COVID happened. We never
Mhm.
went back there, and
So we just
So,
have to
yeah.
go back.
so if there's an extension with tea,
Oh,
maybe
no, I'm
fine.
worrying about so
but
many stuff about the setup.
What is happening?
No, nothing. Don't keep
Okay.
speaking.
Let's
I
speak
have
about good
to
things.
find the
Donuts, waffle, patisserie, muffins.
That's what I'm worrying
What else
about.
do we
Will
have?
that work?
What else do we have? We decided a couple of things. Let's see what we decided. Cupcake, cheesecake, macaron, waffle, and croissant. And I remember saying on my list, I apparently wrote cookie, question mark, or pancake, things like that.
Mhm.
So I don't know. I
So-
kind of like the idea
But
of
we
cookies.
didn't even explain the beginning because we spoke about plenty other stuff.
Yeah, sure.
Let's explain the general idea first.
For people who don't know
Yes.
what we are doing.
So,
Hello there.
it worked. It was just super slow. That's the stuff I was worried about.
Yeah,
Okay.
that we didn't test because of the screen.
Yeah. So we are trying to
forgot.
create our own Twix extension. What is a Twix extension? It's just a little mini app that is within the chat in your mobile or in the adboard page in your browser, in a computer, that allow you to interact with the streamer, simply.
Yes, the
some-
ones that everybody knows, a lot of people knows, is that the sound bits
Yes,
that you play.
Which we
give
just
bits.
saw.
Yeah, you give bits and then it plays a sound, which is like the
Yes.
memes, etc.
4,000, wow!
Woohoo!
Yoo-hoo.
Poopy challenge.
The other one that we use a lot here is the little stream avatar that you have here on the bottom, that you customize
That's
and use
also-
them a lot.
yeah.
So we just wanted to have our own flavored one. Well, at least me, who wanted to keep the money for herself. So we started
That's
working
true.
on one.
We try not to give money to Twitch
We started
because Twitch do better.
We started working on one in May. Before May, we made
long
one
time
stream
ago.
about it. At least I
Yeah.
and we
Well, I
invested.
did some design.
You did some design, and we invested some time in it. And then at 80% of the way, we stopped. Like every single project we do.
80%? Did we really evolve 80%?
Well, my code is at least 80%.
Oh, okay. I can have some quick design then.
But the problem is now that we quit 3 months after, I have to go back into the code, see what works, see what doesn't work. I only had one issue left, which was making the stream overlay. So the stream overlay is when, for instance, I play a sound here on the sound extension, it will make on that side, on the other side of the screen, it will pop out an alert, and that alert will be visible at least when it works, because I just clicked like 2 minutes ago, it didn't work, but when it works, it will make something visible on stream. That's the last piece that I had to do. For the experimental part of figuring out how stuff works, okay? So it means that everything will be working, but it will be kind
Hello
of, it worked.
It
will
comes
be
very,
kind
very
of
late.
working, but badly constructed. So it's just experimentation. After that, I need to clean up everything, make everything perfect, etc. So
And me, I did some designs, and he will show you
Yes.
now what I did. A couple of designs, and I will have to continue.
So the goal of
So,
the
yeah.
extension is to, instead of buying sound, is to buy patisserie because we love patisserie.
Some sweet stuff.
We try not to have too much, but if we are forced to eat them because our viewers pay for
This
it.
is the calorie version.
Yes, this is the virtual version.
This
So
one,
the goal
you
is-
don't get any fat in your body.
The goal is to have an extension that looks like this one, where don't mind the price, etc. It's just an idea of layout,
Yeah.
where you can choose between different type of patisserie, and then eventually after garnish it with details.
If you want to.
If we want to. We don't know if we will go that far because it may be a bit too complicated. We just have to be sure that it's easy to use. And then once you select it, for instance, I want a default taste croissant for 50 bits, you buy it. It will directly go to the stream and be visible on the stream with your name that you bought a croissant.
Ooh.
Okay. We worked on some, Boo worked on some design already, and I will show them to you.
I worked on waffles and
Well, this
donuts.
is on the screen for now.
And donuts.
The donut, and there's multiple versions of the donut.
Yeah, I did
You can
different
explain us.
versions, so you can just buy normal one, or like we said, you can make extra edition that I made a bunch of donuts. So you can just have the pack of it, like 2 or 3. So it means it's a bit, if you want to give more bits, and you're like, one donut is 50 bits. But I would like to give 100 bits. I'm just making up numbers. And then it's just like, you can buy the 2 donut, or you can buy the stack of it. And that's what it shows in the,
On
when
the
it
screen
comes
right now.
on the screen, that's what it shows. So it's visual, and it's also the price. So you can choose the visual one that you like. And those are the waffles.
Then there's the waffles.
And yeah,
You can have with
there's like
strawberry.
strawberry and shanty one, and then just shanty, and then just strawberry. And if you want a fancy one, you can just literally have the both version. And I was thinking to add maybe chocolate sauce too on top, but I'm like, should I?
I don't.
Is it too much? I
maybe
don't know.
we don't know yet what
Yeah.
will be the content. We have to play with it to see how it works, etc.
Yep.
To be sure that it's not
We might
too
change
complex.
it later, etc. But I think they look kind of cute. And I drove them on 3D Blender, and you can even open my Blender, I think, if you have Blender.
Where are they?
Good question.
Because you only gave me the original
This
finished
is
file.
where it is.
Okay. Visual.
Visual,
Patisserie.
patisserie, and then you can find
I don't
my
have a
Blender
mouse here
file.
because my desk is too small.
Mm.
But I will try to move around in Blender as I can. Or maybe I can put the mouse. We really need a bigger desk for this kind of stream. That's a main issue. So yeah, we have the Blender file here.
Yeah, this is the chocolate donut one. Woohoo, a giant donut.
Oh, it's A to select all, yes. And then F12 to render.
Yeah, but the render is just a picture. Yeah.
How do I go to the render camera?
Control F12.
Control F12? Yeah,
No.
okay, so I can move around. I know I cannot.
No. Wait.
It's okay, don't worry.
Control Z. Control Shift Z.
Shift Z.
I have to remember all the
Yes.
keys.
Okay, so I can move
Shift Z,
around and
okay.
render it at the
I
same
know
time.
something with Z, but yes.
Okay.
It's very basic. I didn't make cycles and stuff like that. You might know some Blender, some of you. And I literally just put some lights and basic
And
rendering.
This is the waffle.
I'm not making crazy realistic donut stream stuff. And those are the waffles.
Shift
My
Z.
strawberry looks so good. I feel so like I just want to eat them. I don't know
Strawberry.
about shanty though. Does it look good, shanty?
Usually.
Is it nice, realistic?
It's a bit perfect to be shanty.
It's a bit perfect.
It's a bit perfect to be shanty. If I were to drop a shanty stuff here, it would be more twisted, etc. But it's also a representation of it, so it doesn't have to be extremely accurate.
Go eat them.
Go eat them.
It will break my teeth.
So that's
Yeah.
it.
So that's what I did. I didn't do much.
today we would have shown you designing a screen if we didn't had a broken
Cable.
and I think we will have to make a Hawaiian toast, right?
The what?
We will have to add a Hawaiian toast in the
Hawaiian. I need to have a pineapple pizza.
modify the waffle.
Brazil
So
is going to smash the stream.
Brazil is saying modify the waffle so it looks like someone had a bite of it. That's a good idea.
Good idea. I should think about that. Then I should put it to everything, even to donuts.
Mm-hmm.
And they're all half.
Someone bit
And I
it.
should make an apple that is bitten. So
Yeah.
it's like that.
No.
And I get sued.
And you will get sued directly, yeah. So
I should buy the strawberries. Nah.
the real extension exists here. You can see we already have it running. This is the development platform for Twitch extension, the Twitch developer rig. And I have my code, which is a simple JavaScript here, which handle both the front end and the back end, and both interact together. So this extension rig here allow me to host directly a HTTP server and a Node.js server for the front end and the back end. They are both running. I have a console somewhere here with some information. It may be very small on your screen. It's very small on mine too as well. I cannot change the font. And this allow me to configure an environment like if it was running on the Twitch website. So there's it's not like developing a normal website, because the Twitch website is hosting an iframe that hosts another iframe that hosts a lot of information and that inject context about the user into the website. So I cannot just develop it outside just with a Chrome browser or Brave browser like I use here. We have to use this simulated environment to simulate the fact that it's running within the context of Twitch. But as you can see, we can already see all the different 6, in this case, patisserie that we can buy. If I click on one, we go to a customization page that I didn't do very beautiful right now. It's just a test. And
yeah, we need to check the fonts that we like and
the layout, everything
layout,
we will
yeah.
have to say. Those are details for later for me.
Tiny
because-
details to just sparkle at the end.
Is it possible to make it without a scroll bar? Yes. When it's hosted on the Twitch website, the scroll bar is not there because it is the correct size for it. But it's just in this little browser that there is a scroll bar. So if I click on this, you will see, no, it gave it too.
It was not there before. Yeah.
No, it's not there when it's on Twitch, but I cannot put it on Twitch right now because we have to stop the stream for that. So this is just an artifact of the development tool, and it will go away. So yeah, everything should be working right now. So if I click on chocolate field 60-bit and buy, on the bottom, I will see that I have some transaction. And I have current user, that's the name of the user, bought a test SKU. SKU is a way to define an object without within Twitch. The transaction was undefined because that's an issue and I will have to check what's happening. But I can see that on the server side, I received a transaction ID with the correct name of the transaction and the price, etc., the username, bit user, etc., etc. So I don't remember how the code works, so I will have to go through it while Boo is designing on the side. But that's why I wanted to have the view of Boo more.
That we could change.
But unfortunately, you are stuck with me today.
Mhm.
So I will try to.
And as soon as I have a bit of design, I will add to our shared Dropbox,
Mhm.
and he will be
I
able
will
to
be able
show
to
you.
show it. Yeah, awesome.
I am thinking to start making a macaron.
Macaron.
I don't know what colors to use though. Probably once again fun colors like blue, purple, pink, green,
Macaron.
things like that.
So what taste should you have? You should have the Yoda macaron, you know?
Yoda, what?
You don't know the Yoda macaron?
No, I
From,
don't.
yeah, you know the Yoda macaron.
I don't.
Babish made a video about it.
What?
Cooking with
It's so
Babish made it.
cute. It's the baby Yoda.
It's the baby Yoda macaron.
Oh my god.
There's an episode in The Mandalorian where he is eating macaron in the school, and Cooking with Babish made a
It's
video
a
on how to
cyan
make it.
blue.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's a very
I can do
famous one
cyan
right
blue.
now.
I can do cyan blue.
My mother made macaron last week when you were in Turkey. It was delicious.
Yeah, she keeps cooking nice things when I'm not there. What the heck? She doesn't like me or something? She keeps saying she does, but then she does things when I'm not there, and I'm like, why?
So
Why?
we go for Yoda macaron.
She
and
knows that I like macaron.
Then you can choose maybe ananas macaron, and and you use the third color.
Okay, so this is the one.
Yeah, that's
Alright.
awesome.
I will take this picture, and then I will
If we are
put
not
my 3D macaron, and then I will just make
if we are not sued by
match with
Disney,
it.
you know, because of it. So
We don't say that it's Yoda macaron. We just say,
Yes.
well, it's just blue.
yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
you don't have to take it personally.
You call it sky blue macaron. So
On the other hand, do I want to really make other people make Disney Plus make money by us? Don't they have enough?
as long as they don't know that it's the
As long as
Yoda
they
one,
don't know. Okay, it's a secret between
it's
us.
a secret.
Shh. It's just blue.
It's just blue.
It's just blue.
Dabadi
Dabadi
dabada.
dabada.
Well, we can call it the dabadi dabada.
Dabadi dabada.
Like a dabadi dabam macaron.
Dabadi da macaron.
So, as
Dab-
people
dab-
watch my screen, I have to comment on my screen. I'm sorry.
Yeah, sure. I
Uh,
will start designing.
yes, you work. Schla. Work, woman, work.
I'm the design slave here.
You know how I treat my citizen. Huh?
Yes.
So, what's on my screen right now? I will try to follow along with you because I don't remember it all this code. It's been June, July, Augustus, more than 3 months. I'm good at counting. And in 3 months, a lot
Maths
happened.
with toboggis. Counting numbers.
So,
Up to 10.
the you
You're
are
gonna
gonna
get
get smashed. Yes,
No,
as
no.
long as it's with macaron, it's fine.
Fine.
So the first page we reach in the extension, it's this one. It's just the main page here, and it's just a title, and then we have a grid with button, and those buttons are, I think, hard-coded, but I will check that. We will see. So in this page, it's panel.html. We can see the name, I believe, here. No, oh yes, here, panel.html, it's the correct one. In this page, we do have plenty link, and what do they do?
Jake!
Hey,
You're not
Jake,
paying attention to your class. Bad boy.
pay attention to your class. It's important.
Bad boy.
Welcome.
Welcome. How are you doing?
So I just have a bit of Bootstrap at the beginning. Bootstrap is mostly a library to simplify the layout. Nothing complicated. So I'm happy with that. It's cool. I don't have to have any problem with it. Then we have our own style sheet. Let's see. Oh, I wrote CSS. That doesn't happen often to me, so I'm glad I did. It will make the design easier later. You're doing good, but not for long because math is next hour. Oh, math is amazing.
Math is amazing. It was one of my favorites. Well, I was into quite
Just
science.
cheat. Don't cheat.
Don't cheat. No, don't. Razel. Raz, you will be banned.
9.
9. Yeah, math is good. I also liked biology and
Chemistry.
chemistry.
We have 3 link to style
But
sheet.
not physics. I hated physics.
And yes, we already chose style sheet with Boo at one point. So chose a font with Boo at one point. So I think that's the font we chose.
Yeah, we kind of liked
Google
one
font.
or two, but yeah.
Yeah.
We said we will look at them at the end because we were not sure.
Yeah, I think that's the one we are using for now.
Mm-hmm.
The problem in this extension...
More like a chalkboard design.
Yes, the
with
problem
like
on this Twitch extension is that we cannot use any font we want. We have to use a Google font for security reason in Twitch. We could upload one, but it's a mess, so we have to look into this website and choose a font from there. We have two choices for now, the Le Curly or the Pacifico. Cheating is good, but the only moment when cheating is wrong is when you cheat and you're on your wife's girlfriend.
Well, yeah.
Cheating is good.
I don't know. I did cheat in my life, so if I say
I never
no,
cheated at
it's
school.
not good, then I will be hypocrite. But
This is the second
it's
one.
just once or twice, tiny things here and there is
Tell
okay.
us more about it. How did you cheat?
What did you do? I
See you
cheated.
later, Jake.
I cheated both ways, my way, and I cheated trying to make the other,
Enjoy your class.
trying to help other person. So it was like both ways. See you later, Jake. Thanks for coming. We will share the designs that we did during this stream on Discord. So
If I manage to do anything, because I'm not
Yeah.
used to to stream and design and code at the same time.
sometimes it's hard
So I
to
will
focus.
try my best.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm good to chat also and get to know the code. Last stuff we have here
Thinking out loud.
is a style sheet to another font. So we have 3 potential fonts here. So it's nothing important that we need to know. Very basic stuff. And then Google font stuff. Nothing important. We then have a container. And maybe I can open this page on the browser to inspect it and understand it better like that.
Imaginary!
Woohoo!
6,000!
Wow!
Spoopy stream! It's coming! It's coming! I don't
I'm
want
scared.
it. I'm already scared. By the way, which game would you like us to see? Because we don't really know much about spoopy games, so the only one I know is, I think, Phasmophobia, and there was another one that was a clown that killed people, I think. And,
I don't know. Hey!
what was its name? That
You're
you're
the
just trapped
expert.
in like a hotel room with the clown person that constantly follows you and just kicks you in the head with like a bat or something. So that's all I know. But that's already quite a lot. And then there's something that's I did watch another person. What was that? That you sacrifice sheep?
Okay.
And there's this crazy haunted person. Oh boy, I should watch it. I should try to find it again.
Found 8, okay. And
Drailed? Not Drailed, no.
so I think it was not clear what you explained. So
What I explained.
yeah, that's we don't know games. We don't know spoopy games. So
Yeah.
if there's a one that you want us to play during the challenge, let us know.
That's what I said, no?
Okay, but I didn't.
If you have an
yeah.
idea of a
Mhm.
game that you think it's good, and you propose, you would like to see, propose us on Discord, because we don't know much. I just know 1 or 2, but I don't know if you are interested into those.
Okay. So all the different page of the extension are on the same panel, and they have to be. So we have 4 different pages on the main panel. We have this one, which is the main page. And then if we look somewhere else, we go to the ingredient page, I suppose, which is here. Yes. We can go back to the menu. We are in the main page. We have a Top Chef page, which is there. Okay, which is a static information for now. And apparently there's a spinner page that allows us to have a loading animation. You don't know many either. You've seen Amnesia and Outlast before.
I don't know those.
Phasmo could be fun as a co-op.
Yeah, together, or maybe even you guys, if you have Phasmophobia, you could join.
I don't know
we could-
phasmophobia.
It's a ghost hunting thing. You just go inside like haunted houses. You are like ghost hunters,
Okay,
ghost busters, and then you have to find which type of ghost it is.
so dark.
It can be like, yeah, it's always dark. You do open lights, but ghosts turn them off sometimes, and then you're just like,
Okay.
freaking out. I'm trying to find the other one that I saw once. Someone was playing, and it seemed very cool.
Is Outlast a spoopy game?
Don't know.
Ah, okay. It's not the same as I think. Okay. This seems more spoopy.
It's very spooky.
Scary, okay.
Outlast
Five
is
Nights at
scary.
Freddy, isn't it for children? I don't know. I will be,
Probably
I
there's
will
a
be
new
roasted
version.
for that. I always thought Five Nights at Freddy
It's
was
for
for
your
children.
inner child, Simon. For our inner child. What is
Outlast is
that?
scary and got 2 parts. Okay, overwhelmingly positive. I like that. Like that.
Well.
Well,
We will pick one of them.
I heard of another one too, but I don't remember the name neither.
Devour. Okay.
Devour?
Devour. I watched someone playing that
I know that.
Devour. I will copy paste it to the stream. And you can see what it is. It's like you just try to catch goats and you...
Goats.
Yeah, literally, you sacrifice goats before that scary person catches you. And, okay, stop a possessed cult leader before she drags you into hell with her. Run, scream, hide, just don't get caught.
Okay, okay.
Yes, it's the cult leader that goes just crazy, that just loses itself, that is completely...
I saw enough.
Yeah. It's a little bit scary.
Okay.
So that's the one I know. I know three games that are scary, so I guess.
Chef, okay. So the main page starts empty here, and I guess it's populated by the JavaScript. So we will check the JavaScript after. There's also JavaScript on the bottom. Okay, those are the important part. So we have the Twitch extension JavaScript. We have a basic jQuery, and then the panel.js, which is our logic. And in the panel.js, if I open it, and let's pin it here. Come on, I want both open. Okay.
I don't know that Doki Doki Literature Club.
If we look at
No
the...
idea.
Yeah, my brother told me that we have to play it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's...
Is it spoopy?
I think so, but I'm not sure. I think it's a fake dating sim, but
Okay.
that goes into psychological horror
Oh
slowly.
boy.
Doki Doki Literature Club.
What could have gone wrong on a cute date?
Yeah.
You can get
I
killed.
think it's a
apparently.
horror movie that is hidden
Oh, she has
That-
a knife.
yeah,
Oh,
that
there's a lot
is
of blood. Oh boy.
hidden behind a cute
Mhm.
dating
A
thing.
kawaii dating scene.
I don't think it's spooky though. I think it's more...
I think it's just like thriller, they say, right? Psychological thriller.
Because this one I don't think will make us scare jump. But if that's what you want us to go, it's more my style of horror.
Well, it's
Psychological
it
horror.
Yeah, psychological horror puts you in this mood, you know? You're
Mhm.
just like, sometimes the scary jump scare ones is just so stupid. It just, how to say, it only aims for you to just scream a little bit or whatever and have this sudden reaction. But the psychological thriller is just, it's really just, you just feel it in your bones, the
Mhm.
whole game, and you're just like, oh.
Yeah.
That's kind of, what I like too. But that's the one that I have the most problem to play or watch things, because I really feel it and I just get very, very scary about it. And otherwise, jump scare is just jump scare and then it goes away and it doesn't stay with me. But the others, I dream about it. Bad dreams.
I will stop the backend here.
So it's not good.
and run it here. CD back. No, where src cd back. And I hope I have an npm start.
I
Yes, I
understand nothing he says.
I'm
what happened to the music?
running the backend
Come on, YouTube.
on my Visual Studio editor, so I will be able to debug and follow the code. Panel.js. No, panel.
Okay.
It's not panel.
Macaron.
What is the address?
Starting.
I check backend.js. I didn't run the front, I run the back. Okay, so I cannot do anything. Let's see. If I refresh the view here. Refresh all views. Can I communicate with my backend?
By the way, guys.
Yes, perfect. I can see the output here.
We have another news. We found this Harry Potter beans in a supermarket.
Yeah, we never saw them before.
And yeah, I don't remember seeing them. And we will do the channel point thingy.
Let's show them better.
Better?
Yeah, that's better.
And
So
there's even the one that has like vomit and things like that. I don't know if you can see. Well, you cannot see, no.
Brazil want action, not novels.
Okay.
Hawaiian
toast
do we have the
flavor.
Hawaiian toast flavor?
Well, they have ananas, pineapple.
I don't know if it comes from Germany.
No, it has to be German. Origin German. What is it? In black pepper, banana, blueberry, booger, dirt, cinnamon, cherry, candy floss, earthworm, earwax, grass, green apple, marshmallow, rotten egg, sausage, lemon, soap, oh boy, tutti frutti, vomit, and watermelon.
Brazil said he ate them a lot. Is it very, very disgusting, the one that are supposed to...
Rotten egg is yummy?
Yummy?
Really?
Okay, maybe.
Okay. Well, whoever gets it has to tell us how it feels like.
Yeah.
So we will put this, I don't know how many points, 2000, 3000k, 3k maybe, that you just say
Force Boo to eat one.
Harry Potter bean time or something. and then yeah.
We will take turn.
Yeah, I think we should both get one.
Every time? Okay.
Every time.
Okay.
So we have, yeah.
No problem.
I think, I don't know.
Okay.
So yes.
So let's go
Here it
back.
is. Soon I will add it to the channel point challenge thingy. So you can buy it and see us suffer if we get the bad one. If you don't, well, that's fine.
I still don't know how to make progress on stream. But today it's fine, we just chat.
We are chatting a little bit today. I am starting with the macaron.
So I'm searching right now. This is the backend, so I should not read in the backend. But in the panel.js, which is in the front end, I'm searching what is setting up the HTML page. Just what is putting those image into those div. Very simple. I will see if I can figure that out while speaking. Okay, I have the template here.
You can do it.
Pass-through button template. And I have a static configuration here. Okay, I didn't use the Twitch configuration. There is option to do that. But for now, I'm using a static one. So we have all the information about every single item in the shop. And we can see that we have a donut with 3 different options. They are not disgusting. They are all sweet like other jelly bean. Oh, that's sad. I was really hoping they would be disgusting sometimes.
Yeah, that's like you get the real action, the real reaction, the real disgust.
Okay. So I have a JSON here, inline JSON that is defining the different option with a link directly to every picture and the price in bits. I don't know if that will work because the price has to be defined in another Twitch configuration, but whatever. And I have the implementation to support the Twitch configuration. Okay, so we do receive a configuration from Twitch at one point. Let's see. That will be in the front end. So let's copy the front end code here, so output here, so I can make it bigger. Okay. No output. Awesome. Awesome.
So how is your week? How was your Monday, guys? Why will be boring? Talk about yourself.
That's something we would see here. Okay.
Did you go to school? Jake wasn't at school, and he was cheating.
Not cheating, just
he was just
not staying at work. Not staying at night.
At work, not being a good slave, and stay in school.
Okay.
He was just checking us out while he was at school.
So we did receive a configuration here from panel.js line 9. So let's have a check here. That's very high. Okay, of course, that's not the full stack trace. Can I see the full stack trace here? That's very bad. Thank you. I wonder if we receive a configuration. So I will put a breakpoint here. And then we have the build menu method, which will build this menu. Okay, let's refresh with the breakpoint. No, we do not hit the breakpoint. But if I put a breakpoint in the build menu, it should work. No, breakpoint doesn't work.
No.
No?
Reacting to you.
Okay. I don't know if you have an issue on your side or...
No, I just never know how to start the 3D model, but once I get it going, it's fine, but I'm fine.
Yeah, starting it's hard.
This is fine.
Okay. So the most important part here is building the menu here, which is a method and show main page, which are the two methods called on authorized. So it's when Twitch authorizes the user that we will do that. We can see that we receive some information. We receive a full authentication, which is normally in the console. Let's have a look. Yes, full authentication is this one. So just after we have a printout of the config, just after this. So it means authorize, we get the product. Okay, so we have in the Twitch IDE monetization option here with a list of product, and that's where we define the price of the product. And those products cannot be changed. They have to keep the same name constantly. SKU, it's a single unique identifier or whatever. So we can see that those products in this list are the ones that are displayed in the console, I suppose. We can see chocolate glazed donut, pink glazed donut, pack of donut, that's the three first. And chocolate glazed donut,
hungry.
pink glazed donut, and pack of donuts. Okay. So we do retrieve from Twitch the price for static items. Okay. But we did not update the price in our configuration here before we build the menu. So to do new update config price based on get product result. So here the donuts, those price, we should change them. And to be able to make the link between the two, I will need to put a SKU information here. Probably. Yes.
You do you, boo. You know better.
So let's say, for instance, I had SKU. It's a bit hard because I'm twisted to program. Pastry donut choco, which is that one.
Chocolate.
I have a
Each time you-
cheerleader.
Each time you're like donuts. Yes.
And then here, that would be the one.
What am I in the mood
pink.
today? I'm making macaron. It's been a while. I didn't eat macaron. Maybe like a year or
And
even more.
then
Maybe last time
stack.
we went outside to buy some. Ah, what type of desserts do you guys like?
Yeah,
Do you
what's your
eat-
favorite
Do you
dessert?
eat like donuts? Do you eat anything like that, or just I don't know? Do you like more like cake or pancakes, cookie? Ah, I also need to make cookie, but then with the cookie, probably I need like a glass of milk as an extension,
Okay,
as an extra thingy.
so those are fake data here on the bottom. So I will just copy paste the same SKU for now, but write it manually. Waffle 1, waffle 2, and waffle 3. Okay. Same here. 1, 2, 3. We have so much different stuff. Okay.
We can make it less.
No, that's fine. Just for now, I have a lot of copy paste. I think it's good to have some variety.
Mm.
But yeah, they're all donut for now in my code, so that's fine.
Too much
Donut and
donuts.
waffle, the rest is good. So from that SKU,
You eat yogurt. That's your dessert.
that's quite good.
Yogurt with fruits or nothing, plain. I like Greek yogurt. It's very thick and creamy, and a bit more sweet than the normal yogurt, I find, and it's nice.
I think this is a premise.
Going good?
Going good?
Is it going good, baby?
Me? I have no idea. I want to show.
Great answer. Is it going good? Don't know. Maybe.
I want to queue the
knows?
build of the menu and the show main page once we have the product only. So I will move them in this premise. Okay. But it means that at the beginning I should not show the main page, but I should show the spin load. So we load at the beginning. Let's see. Okay, I saw it loading and then it switched to the main page. If I deactivate the show main page just to see the loading better. Perfect, loading. We are loading. Once we receive the product, we build only the menu. So we can display the price, the correct price on the menu, because for now we don't display the price. We display just a fake one.
It's all free.
No, it's all random price. So building the menu
That's worse.
is just 6 times going through the config and taking the template of HTML and formatting it with the different options here. So that's kind of easy actually. So that's this config that I have to change when I update the price. So let's create a function. Update item, update prices. So To do change 0 to 1. It doesn't mean anything to me. It's probably a null to do. What we want to do is for each pastry, which looks like that. We want to go to each option, and for each option take the SKU and update the bits according to the product price. Oof, okay. In JavaScript. I really don't like JavaScript. It's so fiddly. So, trying to type on the corner. Pastry.options. Perfect, we have them. Let's make a for loop or a dot for each. Awesome. Function. And it will be pastry option. Amazing. So now for each pastry option, we will have the SKU. And I guess I called it SKU. Yep. And for now, just to check that this is working, I will let bits equal to 5,000. A very good price. And I will update the pastry option dot bits to bits. And we will see if on this page all the price will be 5,000. Which price do I use for the template? I use the first and the last bits. Okay. Cross your fingers. First change of the day. Broken.
Broken.
Of course.
Dun, dun, dun.
Yes,
Are
error.
you surprised? Nope.
No. Require is not defined. Require? Why do you have a require suddenly? What? Don't put a require. That's the ID.
Bad.
Okay. It didn't update the bits. So it's good that that I checked. Awesome. Can I in any way debug this? I think I can. If I close this here, I'm running the backend here. I will run the front end as well. Let's see. Twitch developer rig. No, normally I should be able to... Wait. Yes. Stop the front end. Perfect. Make a new terminal. And cd src. cd front. It's just a JavaScript and an HTML, so normally I should be able to just open it in a browser locally instead of going through this. But then I cannot get the context from Twitch. Ah, this is really annoying, huh? This Twitch context stuff. Okay, if I run it, can I put any kind of breakpoint here? Or do I have to debug with just console.log, which is awful. Update price.
There. Back.
Of course not, I cannot, because I'm in an iframe. Okay, then console.log it is. Sorry for the very old school behavior, everyone. Oh wait, yeah, of course I don't update the price. I didn't call the method. Okay, that will
Paying
work better.
with Smash.
That will work better. It's hard to do math and to code to code live.
How am I doing? I am currently...
Send me a picture.
Send your picture? Okay.
Yes.
I'm doing macaron. I just did the two, like a bun.
Oh,
Just a bun. And
You
I need to
can-
put cream.
I don't need a picture. I have your Blender file. Here's how she's
Yeah,
doing.
you can actually...
Ta-da-ta-da.
Yes, it looks like a burger for now. But it's the...
It's a burger because it's too big, but if I do that, it's suddenly a macaron.
Yeah, it has the tiny buns of the thingy and then the crust, and then I need to fill it with cream. That's what I'm doing, and I need to make it blue because we are making YODA baby Yoda blue stuff.
We have to say it reverse, so
I need to, yeah,
Odai.
Ayod, Adoy. Wait,
Adoy.
it sounds like
Adoy.
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 Adoy, everybody.
Low poly
Yeah,
sphere.
exactly. Yeah, that's a low poly. That's what I do. That's my donut was a sphere too. Low poly sphere with a sphere, yeah, with a hole in it and some sparkles on top, basically. So that's what low poly is.
She's having a better time than me today.
Yeah,
Managing to do something.
yeah.
Woohoo! Look at that, 5,000 everywhere.
Wow, we are so rich.
We are so rich.
Wow. Thanks for the bits, guys.
So it works. It works.
The imaginary bits.
That part is not updated yet, but this config is updated with this code. So I'm happy about it. So the only stuff that I need to do now is retrieve the real price of the SKU in this array, which is the product array.
Mm-hmm.
You are using 2.7, you use 2.8 because of the long-term support for the API plugin. I think
You mean
Blender.
Blender, you mean?
Yeah, I
I
think
don't even know. 2.79 I'm using apparently.
Boo love to
2.79.
install a program and then never update it. As long
I
as
hate
it works,
updates.
as
I
long as
hate
it works,
It fucks everything, and I lose all the buttons, and I need to get.
and
they
I
changed stuff, and I'm like, why did you change it? It was working.
and on my
I hate
computer I don't use Blender, so it's just to open and look at the file of Boo.
I am very boomer. I have a boomer in me
You are
that
the
just gets upset with change.
boomer.
I'm a boomer. I have a boomer in me. Yes. Yeah, I know. That's why I don't hate. I don't like it. Also, Photoshop did the same. I had one like 10 years ago, and then I had to upgrade it to 5 years ago one. I mean, it's horrible. I had to wait 5 years to get used to it. No, it's just like they changed everything, and then I was confused, and I couldn't manage to make stuff fast enough because I had to learn the program, and I hate it.
I try to have the same version as Boo also most of the time, because otherwise she give me key combo, etc., and they are completely different. They change
I'm
the
like, go there, do
they
this, and he's
change
like,
everything.
what do you mean it doesn't exist anymore? I'm like, fuck this.
And then some stuff
I
I know
hate
how to
feature.
do. I do it, and then she gets angry at me because it's not how she thinks it's supposed to be done. But it's not the same
Yeah.
version. So it
I
is.
don't like it. I don't like it. And I know there are other people like me out there who doesn't update their stuff because they change everything. So. Huh.
Product. Portuguese. It's
Poor
fine.
Boo, you
Poor
mean?
What do you design on Blender?
Yeah, send us some picture.
Is it for work or is it for your personal hobby? Okay, how does that work? Filter in JavaScript.
What do you do, Draz, in normal life? Like, what's your job? What's
If
your
it's
thing?
Not too
If
personal.
it's not too personal.
Magic of
How do you
filter.
make your life? How do you make a living? Is that the question? I designed.
You're working really hard with your body. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what we all do.
It could go anywhere we want.
Mm.
You want to leave it there? Do you really want to leave it there? You are
Element
quite into
index.
gardening and stuff, I feel like, but I don't know if it's just personal or...
Also, your brain a lot. Your brain is part of your body.
Your brain, yeah, that's true. I guess everybody have to use their brain at some point,
Okay.
right? To do anything,
Filtered.
even if it's just a... it's about thinking. You use your brain to think, not to eat like in Death Trash. Or keep it in a jar or something. I see.
Define the first element of a matching predicate. Thank you, Stack Overflow. Find first, function predicate.
I did graduate from architectural school and I was interior architect. And so that's why I'm into 3D models, because I'm like, hello baby. And I like 3D designing everything instead of... I don't sketch anymore, yeah. I directly go to 3D. You try to use my brain as little as possible. You use your brain when we play words on Steam.
That's a lie, because you have a huge city in mine colonies, and I know that it takes a lot of brain.
Yeah. You like to be known that you don't use your brain.
That's different.
That's different. There are some people who doesn't like to be seen as smart people. That could be you, maybe. I don't know.
So, product. I keep having to work with one screen, and it's not enough for developing.
Yeah.
And
okay,
product.sku.
that macaron needs a cream, otherwise it's just a bun. All right.
SKU equal. SKU. Awesome. Let P equal.
Draz doesn't like Java neither.
JavaScript is awful. Huh? You don't like JavaScript? I mean, I can HTML, CSS, PHP, and C#, so I think I'm fine. I'm just for hobby also working with Blender, Unity, so yeah, it's just a hobby because the results are fun. Yeah, I did maybe, I would say 10 years as a professional C# developer. I did a lot of PHP as well, but every time I have to do something on a web page with JavaScript, JavaScript is so fiddly. I'm not fan of it. Let's say it like that. If I'm not fan of it when I start going into it, as soon as I enter, for instance, I didn't do anything in JavaScript in 3 months because I didn't work with this project. So I'm rusty and I don't like to go back into it. I'm quite sure if I spend 2 days with it, I will be much more confident, much more comfortable, and be like, okay, I don't like it, but I can do it. But
if I have to deal with it, I will. Suck it up, sugar cup.
Not undefined. So find is returning an array, right? So is it always returning an array?
Is it a boomerang?
Let's try. Is it what? A boomerang?
Boomerang. Is it always returning? Okay, never mind. My jokes are mom jokes today. Never mind.
Undefined.
I'm not even a mom.
Okay,
They're just
perfect.
bad jokes.
So find doesn't return an array. Find, return undefined, or the item, the element. The first element, okay? So that's correct.
Correct? Yes, no, yes. Okay.
So
my burger have a cream now.
bits, I will put them at 0 for now. And then bits equal p dot and product dot. Where's the price here? Cost? Aha, cost dot
Free.
amount. And cost dot type, but type will always be bits here. So p dot cost. That's an array cost again? No, that's an object. Okay. Cost dot amount. Okie dokie. Let's. Can I format that document like that? Yes. Thank you. Let's see. Let's see if the correct price are applied. Oh, and look, what?
What?
Suddenly I can debug. That's amazing.
Magic.
Magic, I would say. But
What kind of sorcery is this?
okay. So the pastry currently is the donut with choco, which has 3 options. And SKU. Okay, that SKU will not be found. It's undefined. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here. And at the end. Okay. Okay, we have some price. But we should not have had some price. Okay, I know why. I know why. Because in any case, even if we don't find it, we have to set the bits so if they will go at 0 anytime. Okay, we found, okay, perfect. We found the donut bits. We found the donut bits in the configuration from Twitch. The rest, as we didn't configure it properly in the Twitch extension, we didn't find. I like it. That's a weird music. Can you switch?
Sure.
It's a speech, etc. I don't like it.
Yeah, sometimes.
It's hard to concentrate.
Sure.
Okie dokie. We are making progress.
Hey!
It's
Cool.
very small progress, but it's progress. So now I would like to set up some cost in all of them to be sure that it works. But I'm quite sure that it works, but it's never too bad to test multiple times. So we can see that we have a waffle with everything, a waffle with cream and a waffle with strawberry. Let's configure those
Yum,
one
yum,
at
yum.
least. And to configure that in the code, I just have to go to the waffle section here.
Waffle
So
section.
what is the order of price for you?
One waffle.
On waffle.
Just one waffle without anything.
You don't
I
have one
don't
waffle
know.
without anything in your pictures, so
I don't. Yeah, plain waffle. I don't. Then strawberry and the shanty will be the same, but the double one will be just a tiny bit more expensive, I guess, because it's like two
Okay.
ingredients. But I don't know how much. We didn't decide the prices and stuff.
I don't mind about the price. I just need to know the
Then put strawberry.
The order.
I don't know, 100, whatever. Cream, 100. Strawberry, 100. Double, 150, 200.
wait. They need to be more expensive than 120, but it's not. I don't care about the price.
150. Yeah,
Don't
okay.
tell me price. I just
150,
need to...
150, 200.
Okay.
That's what you're asking, right?
Yeah, but that's not what I'm asking either. So, but it's fine. Don't
Tell
worry.
me.
I'm asking which one is cheaper. You told me that. I don't
Cream,
need to.
strawberry, the
know
same.
number.
The old package is a bit more expensive.
Mhm. I understand.
That's how it is in real life. So.
Yep. Perfect. That's all I needed
If
to
there's
know.
no plain waffle, I didn't think about that. I'm like, plain waffle? Psh, we don't know her. It's like boring, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes, a very long
Strawberry and
delay, but he
everything.
said yes.
It's all okay. So that should work. 150, 150, 200 you said. I will change to match what you said.
In Liège, we have waffles. They are supposed to be plain. What people don't. It's like
It's
they
not.
look at it as plain, but it's not plain actually. There is cinnamon sugar on it,
Mhm.
caramelized cinnamon sugar, and it's very tasty. I like cinnamon. And then some of them in marché Noël markets, Christmas markets and stuff, you can have a stick of. It's so funny. They just cook the waffle, and then there are like on the corners of the waffle there are places that you can stick bottom. What is a stick of chocolate?
Mhm.
That's I never heard a stick of chocolate before. And they just literally stick it into the waffle and it melts while it's hot because you just get it out of the pan, not the pan but the waffle thingy. Exactly that. And then you just stick of chocolate on it, and it melts in it. And when you bite it, it's just like oozes and
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, it's
Very cool.
I'm so hungry.
Personally, I prefer those waffles to the waffle that we are designing here, which
Brussels
are Brussels
waffles,
waffles. They
yeah.
are very fluffy. And,
Show Brussels waffles too. They are square and they are plain. Then you decorate it with like Shanti, strawberry, banana, Nutella, whatever you want. And that's the one that I am designing for this.
That's the favorite of Boo, but for me they are too fluffy.
No, they are both good. I like the Liège waffle with the chocolate stick.
Yeah.
They are just different, you know.
Those one are very
just different.
Dense. Sturdy and dense.
Mm-hmm.
It's real food.
Who cares that it's real food? It's just freaking dessert.
So light.
I don't care.
It doesn't even exist or register.
It's
in
light
the real
and
world.
it's crispy. That's what I like with it. It's just so crispy, so thin. Not thin, but like because they squish it with the iron, waffle iron, it becomes like a tiny, the square parts, and it just gets crispy, and it's so nice.
Yeah.
And I like eating with strawberry and Shanti, chocolate sauce, etc.
The one we ate in Brussels last time.
You just eat them different.
The one we ate in Brussels last time was very delicious. I agree.
Yeah.
But still.
So why do you attack it?
Because it's very.
Except that it's good.
No, because it's very
hard.
No, it's
never.
It's very hard to have a proper one, a good one.
Yeah, I know.
That's
I know.
They become so easily soggy and not crunchy at all.
I think it's the same with Liège waffles too, because last time we bought one and it was smelling so eggy, and they didn't cook it properly, so it was like weird and sticky and not. It was weird. I think it's just you have to find the right place anyway. Doesn't matter Brussels or Liège.
Okay.
In my opinion. So we are not how to say being discriminative.
We disagree.
No discrimination against waffles. They are all good, I think. I just like them differently. They are both good.
I remove this margin. No, I will check the CSS. I hate CSS. I think there's a way to fix this scroll bar, but I will have to fiddle with it. Okay, but at least we now have the correct price displayed for the correct item based on the Twitch configuration.
Woohoo.
So that's very cool.
Cool.
I should choose maybe which item we want to display. So what are you doing right now? You are doing the macaron.
Yeah.
And macaron is the most expensive one because it's macaron, right?
I really don't know. We have to talk about it. If you buy one macaron, no, it's like, I don't know.
€1. Well, depends where.
Depends where.
In Paris,
it was 3 euro
yeah.
each.
Yeah.
And it was the most expensive that I ever paid for one macaron, which was lemon, but it was so good. I cannot forget about it. But once we go, we pay like around 2 euro, which is a good patisserie. But if you go to like, I don't know, Carrefour or Jebe or...
They can be 50 cents, right?
Yeah, they can be like 1 euro per... You can buy 5 or 6 by a box of just 6 macaron for 5 euros. So it ends up being like 80 cents. So it depends. I would say 1 minimum per macaron. And then I will probably end up making a bunch of macaron. So like it's like a box of macaron that you end up buying maybe 3 or 4 at the end. So then it might end up being 500 bits, which is so expensive. I don't know.
We don't care about the price right now.
Yeah.
I just want to know where I put them
just
in
buy
the...
something.
If it's
just,
the most...
Just write something.
I just want to know if it's the most expensive item or if it's the middle tier item.
I really don't know. Look at the list, guys.
That's the list.
What do you think? If you are not looking, what do you think should be the most expensive? Cake, cupcake, cheesecake, maybe?
So for now, the cheaper is the donut, right? And
yeah,
then
croissant is kind of
and croissant is the next one, but
The
croissant is
same.
kind of cheaper
yeah.
normally than donut. Then we have the waffle,
Mm-hmm.
and then the cupcake, and then the cheesecake.
I feel like cake type of thing should be more expensive because even one slice is like 4 or 5 euro in real life,
Cheesecake.
and then the whole cake is another thing.
Isn't
Or we
it
can
something?
make a whole cake.
This is cheesecake.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know your question, imaginary. If cheesecake should be the most expensive.
Yeah, maybe he's saying cheesecake should be the most expensive.
Maybe.
That's kind of what I wrote. That's why they're at the end.
And
But
then
a
macaron
set of
should
macaron
be before that.
set of macaron is more expensive than cheesecake, I think. When you buy. Okay, we can make cheesecake
Thank you.
more expensive. Yeah, cheesecake can be like I don't know 500 bits. Everything. I think we should not
Stop
pass.
thinking about bits. I'm
Yeah,
thinking about order
Okay,
between
order.
them right now.
Cheesecake most expensive before macaron, cupcake, waffle, croissant, and the least expensive is donut. Because in America,
They are
you
very
can
cheap,
just
yeah.
have $1 piece.
Yeah, and croissant,
Maybe even
even
less,
though it's
actually.
cheap here, it still have that
I want
fanciness.
macaron now. I'm sorry, I
Hey,
keep wanting
I love
waffles
you,
since the
Patir.
beginning of the stream, and I'm like, we are talking about which waffle is the best, and
Can you save your blender?
I'm so hungry. Yeah, here.
So I will show
was
the
no,
update.
I was just going to add the blue, and I
Okay.
will show you
Okay.
what I did.
Boo will,
I'm designing a macaron right now, 3D.
and it will be a blue.
It will be a
macaron.
blue Yoda macaron.
So we will show it in 2-3
I need to
minutes.
assign the colors, right colors, and it's
So
coming.
I think that order is good.
Hello, Blue Satire.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Donut, croissant,
Welcome
waffle.
to the stream.
Okay, I have to change the order then. Donut,
Do not or
Do not.
nuts.
here we have the croissant.
Do not even.
You're working.
You're working.
Oh, courage.
Courage. It sucks. Today we are getting people from work, from school.
From school.
Everyone is just breaking the chains.
I don't think I need that ID every time. I don't use it
Oh,
anymore.
look at this. It looks so good. I think the cream is too much though. We will show.
I'm writing the ID. Yes, I'm writing it for.
Yeah,
okay.
show
You
it.
saved?
Show it, and I think I need to make less cream because the cream is a bit thick. I'm not sure though. I like a full, nice macaron.
I have to wait to download it. That's what you are working on.
What are you working on? Is it a? Are you sending us a bag?
I agree.
What's that?
It's is it on
Light shot screen capture.
Yeah, it's on
What is
the
this?
iPad, right? Like shot.
I have no idea.
Where is it? Macaron. Is it updated? Yes, it is.
Yay! Ooh,
It's a logging.
yum. This is the macaron I did in 1 hour by chatting about etc. And it's a bit thick, yeah. The cream is a bit thick. I think the cream should be less thick.
The cream should be less thick,
Yeah.
but it depends.
I kind of like it though.
It makes me want to eat it. Yes.
Oh, it's so good.
So it's quite
It's low
nice.
poly. I'm working on low poly. That's my jam. I like doing low poly stuff, not realistic stuff. So that's why it's a lot triangulated and geometric.
Looking good though.
I should give it more dimension. Yeah. I should play with it a bit more. Yep.
That's just the
It
beginning.
looks good though. Yeah, it's a good beginning. Yeah.
Bon appétit.
Bon appetit. Enjoy your macaron.
So
Blue macaron.
what is the taste of a blue macaron?
Schtroumpf?
Schtroumpf?
Smurfs?
Smurfs? Is it blueberry macaron?
Yoda. Yoda flavor.
So just for everyone that came now, unfortunately today we are only able to show my screen because we have a
Screen
cable,
capture is
a
not
screen
working.
capture that is not working.
Yep.
We will try to fix it for as soon as possible by sending it to the repair shop. And We wanted to show Boo also designing at the
While
same
I'm
time.
designing.
But you are stuck with me fiddling with codes.
And here and there, he opens my blender and just shows what I'm doing with my macarons.
So yes, we need that ID. Need that ID, but I will simplify it. Because I think I could use the SKU as ID. Donut 1. Donut 2. Donut 3. That will be easier than having a specific ID from each. Croissant 1.
Oh! What did I do?
What did you do?
Oh boy.
You broke everything.
I broke everything.
We are still there.
Yeah, still alive. Okay. I clicked the wrong mouse and everything was like, what?
Waffle 1.
Waffle 2.
Hey, you know how to code?
Hey!
What's gone after? Waffle 3.
Waffle 3. I know
Perfect.
how to count.
Those
I'm a
waffles are
genius.
correct. Pastry, croissant, and we don't know yet what kind of croissant we will have, right? So I will not precise it.
Yeah, I think it can be the one that is plain, I guess. Do we have to give extra options to everything or not at all?
Well, to make
or
the
it
code,
can be chocolate filled or jam filled.
Yeah, to make the code easier, it's better if I have the same number of options per category.
Yeah, then it can
because
be chocolate filled.
I have a lot of limitation with the. So plain chocolate
and jam filled, yeah.
Okay.
I need to get back into learning 3D, but I also want to spend time painting. Aha. Yeah.
Painting in real life?
Painting and 3D modeling is completely different indeed.
I don't know.
I think so. They're art at the end, but one is digital, one is what do you say?
Physical.
Physical art.
Oil painting.
Wow,
oh, that's cool.
Nice. You can also paint in texturing. You can also paint a 3D model. Like in Blender, there's paint. Oh yeah, exactly. Painting, texturing.
Yeah.
You can do that. Like you can make a 3D model or download a 3D model in Maya, things like that, or Blender, or other program, and just paint on it, literally. If you have like a paint tablet, something like that you work on. But of course, oil painting. If you have
real life is good too sometimes.
Yeah,
you know?
real life. I think it's very meditating and different. Oil painting is something else. Me, I would like to learn more of that, because sometimes I get bored of 3D. I just want to like touch things. I just want to feel the brush in my hand and the texture of the thing that I do, stuff like that. I don't know if I'm good at oil painting, but I do like watercoloring.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like that.
It's very fun.
Yeah, it's fun, I think. It's a nice thing.
When did you paint last?
It's cool that you paint.
It's been a long time, or you do it often?
It's nice to see artists. My music stopped. YouTube. You're not a good DJ today.
September!
September!
Macaron. What's after macaron? Cheesecake.
Cheesecake.
Did I skip one? No, that's perfect. It's a tedious work, but it's better to do the tedious work now when...
You're currently working on a blue skull that has a light under it.
Wow!
That's what you're painting? Cool.
That's so cool.
You should send a picture on Discord.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys... let me share the Discord thingy for... Draz, can you do it? I have so much things in my hand. Can you share the Discord thingy?
Discord thingy.
Thank you.
You
are the best.
Okay.
You should share it in the... I think we have art, creative stuff.
Yeah, we do.
So we would like to see your talented people's works.
Okay. Play. Okay, we have all the data defined. We don't have the data defined in the product, so those are still at 0 bits. We don't have the picture yet because
Free!
Boo is working on it.
Free yummies!
free yummies? Ah, yeah. But
because there's 0 bits.
yeah.
They're
Now
free.
that I have this page a bit
Free donuts, everyone.
better done,
You're not on Discord. How dare you?
that's not an obligation.
Come. Yes, you don't have to say it. Of course, you're not obligated. If you want, come chill with us, and we are sharing old German recipe that has pineapple ham
Yes,
sandwich.
very traditional German recipe.
I don't know what it was, but Brazil is very, very angry about it, and he's threatening us with smashing us. And we are having fun.
I saw it today.
Delete your posts.
How dare you?
How come? Can you even do that?
Probably, yeah, but
We aren't with the admins. Oh, shit.
I think he's mad.
We don't have the control of our own Discord. Great.
It's okay. Okay, I think there's a...
we can repost it again, you know. You delete,
You posted it in
repost.
Creative
You
Channel.
delete. Yay!
Cool,
We
let's-
will look at it.
Let's look directly. Do I have Discord on this computer? Probably.
Probably. Hey, my macaron is getting a bit better. Is the color good?
Everything to not code.
Is the color good or is it too light?
Oh,
According to the Yoda
wow.
stuff.
Look at that.
Ooh. My gosh.
That's
You're
cool.
talented.
That's really, really cool.
Nice.
Congrats. And it's so...
I like the
is
black
it
background.
hard to know how the light will react, etc.?
Yes, water. Hydrate time.
That seems hard to me, that part.
Yeah, lights and
Really
shadows. Breaking things.
Breaking things, trying to move. Thank you.
Trying to
thank you.
take water.
I love it.
Very
It's
good.
very good.
Keep it going.
Yes. What is it finished, this one, or do you want to do more on it? Taking it slow. Yeah, the light is hard. Yeah, I can imagine those parts. It's trying to have it natural. I would say it's probably quite hard. I never painted anything, so I'm just guessing. That's super cool. Congrats. Food. We will need dessert tomorrow. Whose skull did you take?
Is there anything that
the
is
skull
open?
of the enemies.
Yes.
Shh.
Shh, it's a secret.
The skull of the last person that
No
went
one
to see your
knows.
channel and didn't follow.
People who are not on Discord.
Okay, I'm happy with that
Alright.
part.
I'm happy with my macaron too. It's getting
You want to shop?
quite fancy.
Your update?
I just made the cream less
Okay.
stuff. Not really. I want to add more crust to the edges, you know, the bottom bits that's like crispy.
Yes.
I don't know how to explain.
Yes. The crispy part.
I'm not a chef, so I don't know how to explain
You just know how it tastes.
correctly. Yeah, the one that just sits on the bottom of the thingy, not the fluffy part.
Exactly.
The one that sits on the bottom,
The
and
crust.
it gets all. See that part? That is the crust. That's like very
Okay.
bubbly and oh my
Uh,
goodness, whatever. Macaron
I
stuff.
will translate.
Macaron slang.
She wants to have the robe of the macaron.
The rope.
Being
Oh,
more crusty.
fancy.
This part.
Ooh. Yes, exactly that part.
Yes.
I don't have that right
So
now.
for now,
it's just kind of flat
Yeah,
for me.
it's kind of flat.
I
and
want to
she
add
wants
more
to have
like
it
texture
left.
and yeah, I want to give that because it kind of differentiates from the top because the top is kind of smooth and the bottom is
What's the
really
proper name
crispy
for it?
part.
You ready?
I don't know.
Uh,
Wow, the shiny surface. Crunchy
open in a
meringue
new
shell.
tab.
Exactly, the filling, the cream I was saying.
Anatomy of a
I'm
macaron.
so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Here it is. It's the
Yeah,
foot.
yeah, ganache. Yes.
The foot that you want to make.
The foot.
The 2 foot, so the feet.
Okay, I need to do the foot better. Macaron are
But-
disgusting.
I accept also the crispy part. It's a very good name.
Crispy part.
The crispy part.
Isn't it crispy? It's the crispy part, right?
You don't like the almond in it, Drazilt?
Yeah, if that's the
Maybe.
case, I agree with you. The almond maspan taste in it is sometimes challenging for me too.
You only had them one time and you missed them.
It's good. Everybody should eat more macaron.
Well,
Macaron
it's
campaign.
if it's hard to have.
Hashtag everybody should eat more macaron on Twitter. Come on, flood the Twitter.
Not Twitter. Okay. Where was I? Yes.
Java.
No,
Fuck
JavaScript
Java.
is different. Java is okay.
JavaScript, yes, okay. I'm sorry.
Uh,
I don't know the fancy words.
Don't be sorry. So
Be
I have this
happy.
page configured by the Twitch extension config. That's very good. Now I want to click here and have this page configured. So what's happening when I click on the button? That's the real question.
Push the
Do
button.
I go to send the croissant?
Push the button.
Send the croissant. Okay, that's a static page, right? Let's check. The spooky period is ahead. That's a challenge.
Yes, our spoopy challenge. If you want us to play a spoopy game in October, you can contribute to the bits. Not the bits. Sorry. No.
To the channel point.
I'm not trying
Boo
to get
trying
bits
to get
from
money
you.
again.
No. It's the challenge waffle bites. Sorry, in my head it was waffle bits. I don't know why. My dyslexic. It's the waffle bites. You can in the channel points. I mean, they are called waffle bites because we are from Belgium,
Okay.
and you can do that. Ooh, blue satire! Oh my god!
Wow, cool.
2000K. Also, if you have a favorite.
20,000 bits. Yeah, that's very small. I keep telling her she doesn't agree. And
No, he's saying bits. If you want us to play a spoopy challenge, just donate to 50K bits. Not that hard.
so my Bitcoin account
It's only
is
$50. Yeah, no, you don't have to if you don't want to. We are not obligating anyone to do that, but channel points are the fun stuff. That's why we wanted to be affiliated.
It's fun and free.
Yeah, it's fun and free. As long as you watch, you get them. So, voilà. If you have a spoopy game that you want us to play, if you think that it's a good candidate, you can send us the name on Discord. Or we will probably make like a poll when it comes,
Okay, that's good.
so we know which one is the chosen one.
Pastry ID. Okay.
And thank you for the contribution. Oh, it's gonna happen, right? I really
Yeah,
don't
it's
want
gonna happen. That's
I don't want it to happen.
and the worst.
I'm such a chicken.
You know the worst. She did it, and then she told me, "Oh, by the way,
By
by the way, I just added a challenge where you have to play a scary game, and it's done, and you don't have choice. So here it is."
We kind of spoke about it, and you were like, "Sure, we can do it."
We
And
kind
then
of spoke. Yeah. Yes, we
Didn't
did. We did long ago.
Ah.
Before buying bits, you're gonna send directly money by PayPal. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why we are trying to make our own extension so Twitch doesn't get a cut. Because we are a little
It's not
bit.
the reason, but
It
that
well,
you keep
it's one
saying
of
that's the reason.
No, it's not.
It's also
Yeah,
for the
it's
fun.
not the reason, but it's the fun. I mean,
Yes.
we like the sound stuff, but it's sad that they just have a cut from
Mhm.
it. You know, it's just people support you, but their money goes all over the place, and that's the bad thing about
That's
Twitch.
the reason for you.
It's not
Me,
the
it's
reason
for
for me. It's one of the
customizing.
reason for me.
Okay.
To save everyone's effort that they are trying to support us, but it goes away. And if it would be just us, we wouldn't care, but it's other people who are choosing to do that. And it's not nice that there's a giant cut from everything. But it's also fun because, once again, at the beginning we kind of mentioned we liked a coffee one. It seemed interesting, but it was not that much fun that we thought. We already have it on Twitch. We kind of used it for a while, like one day or something, but we didn't like it. So we decided to make our own. with Patisserie because we like Patisserie. And we like designing things and coding, so it's just a reason to do that. So I'm just having fun with the Twitch cut part. You already know that
But
we are designers and developers, so we just are trying to find excuses to just make nice streams about those things. So yeah, don't take me seriously when I say that.
Well, I do. Nah.
Don't. Nah. But of course it's important for me that people who support us doesn't have to waste their money to Twitch, you know. But that's the platform we chose, so it happens.
Yeah, everywhere you go, it happens.
Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of people are going to YouTube now, but I don't find it fun. So
no, YouTube is annoying for chat, etc. We have better communication here.
Yeah. The food is hard to do. The crisp of the macaron.
That's your job.
Yeah, I have to be creative. How can I make it more voluminous and fluffy?
Just trying. We really need a bigger desk if we want to keep doing this kind of coding.
I know. I have literally a keyboard under my hand, and in the middle of my two arms there's a mouse that I constantly sometimes click by mistake with my like arm, and then it just closes the stream page sometimes randomly, and I'm like, oh. Are we gonna end the stream by mistake?
Yeah, we explored a bit our option for desk, and for a very big desk it's not possible to find a good one, so we will probably build our own. And we found a place where they sell nice wood, but we still have to go there.
We still have to go there
and pick a nice wood. But it's about
we still have to go there.
20 minutes away, so it's 1 hour.
Yeah, it's a big workshop type of thing.
I don't know. We have a car, but I don't know if they deliver.
The size we want may not fit in the car.
Yeah, the size we want may not fit in the car.
Because we want something more than 2 meters, 2.5, something like that.
So
and it's a challenge.
Will see. I should not use console.log. I should use log because it also goes to Twitch. And then can I log directly? Do I have to log a string or can I log an object? Log. I can log an object. It's named text, but I can log an object. So pastry. Thank you. So here I just want to see if I can retrieve the correct pastry configuration when I click on the configuration on a button to buy a pastry. Simply. It's very simple, but sometimes simple stuff have to be triple check. So we will be exactly here. F10, and we don't have the pastry. So config is correct. Selected pastry ID is 0. So why is pastry undefined? I have to go shop stock. Okay.
Shop stock.
I don't know why I have
We have unlimited macaron, people. Don't worry. We will not get out of it.
Hey, thanks for the follow.
Is it follow?
No. Whoa,
money,
wow.
Money.
What's
Thanks
happening?
for the money.
Money in the rich man's world.
What the?
What
did you do?
You don't have to, Brazil.
We
Thanks
are
a
not
lot.
serious when we speak about
Thanks
money,
a lot.
you know?
Thanks.
We don't ask anything.
I have no idea where it's from.
Well, I don't even see it.
Echo of Doom. So you donated $1.18 and you said
that's how you say it.
money
Must be funny in the rich man's world.
That's a song lyric, right?
Yeah. It said it at some point, but you were speaking.
Yeah, sorry.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Gee.
I have no idea
So
how
generous.
you did that, but
How you did what?
the donation. We have many stuff configured, so is that a Streamlab?
Was it bits or donation? Donation.
Streamlabs, okay. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that's cool. Thanks. It works. I never know if it was working or not.
I have no idea. I don't remember configuring it. I remember configuring it if they write something, a text.
Yeah, that's what it did.
That it will read it out loud.
That's what it did, but
Yeah. But you have to be silent.
There's an echo of doom.
Echo of Doom?
Okay, I
Where?
don't know.
Wait.
It's you.
No.
that.
Where do we have the
Close
echo?
all your browser, please.
My browser? Sure, but
Okay,
I'm using it.
I cut the sound of boo.
I'm using it.
Wait, I cut the sound of boo. Is there still an echo?
Is it just our microphone or is it...
Okay, no echo. So it's boo. She opened somewhere the stream on her computer.
No, I don't. I keep telling you. I told you no, it's blocked.
If I put back your music,
Put my music
will there
back.
be an echo?
Okay.
Do we have an echo now?
Blue Satire says no echo. Imaginary says sounds fine to me.
Okay,
Is there an echo right now?
trying to cause a divorce. No
It's-
echo.
it's-
Okay.
Okay, cool. We can
Yes.
continue then.
Awesome. So I don't know what you heard. We are super thankful for the donation.
Yes.
We
thank
are
you.
happy to know that it works. Also, and Brazil duplicated to that.
Maybe.
He wants to hear us so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. The video is recorded. We will be able to check later if there's really
Yeah,
an
if
echo.
there's really... I don't do such things. Duplicating. No, never.
No.
Who does that?
Echo of Doom. Shopstock. Okay, let's try that. Attempt number 2.
Attempt number 2.
Yes, we have the pastry. Okay, so I click the button and on this
Yay.
page we have the pastry. So now I just have to configure this page based on the configuration of the pastry.
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe it
That's
did
possible.
that.
It did that for you, I think. Yeah. It doubles this. Yeah.
Bad
It
Streamlab.
does it. Indeed.
Now you know why we struggle with Streamlab constantly.
Yeah, it's so annoying. Silly Billy. Exactly.
Okay. So here we are.
That beautiful skull.
Build ingredient page.
Egg, milk, flour,
Huh?
build ingredient page.
No. Okay, you try to throw me off. Thank you, Boo. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Look.
We don't have the lurk stuff. We should do it.
Yes. First thing.
But lurk away.
Lurk away.
We
See
will
you.
not miss you.
But
Meh.
we will. Dear. You're mean today. What happened
Come
to you?
on! He understands that we're... It's dark humor, people. Jeez.
Ouch.
I'm not mean. I'm just busting your balls or whatever.
He just donated €1. He said, "You have to be nice now.
Oh, you pay me, so I have to.
You have
So
to
I
be
have to
nice
be nice?
for at least 2 minutes."
You know, if I would be paid $1 per person to be nice, I would ask more. Because people are pain in the ass.
Maybe she would be nicer indeed.
It's come on. I'm just joking around. He knows that we are not mean. We are just having fun. Being silly Billy with
Okay.
each other.
There's no more music.
YouTube DJ,
Main
you're not
page.
working your job.
Okay, it's an ID. I need to add an ID. It's fun to be mean.
Yeah. Well, it's fun to be mean, not fun to be... Well,
It
it
depends.
is, but it
With
just depends
friends.
if the other person understands that you're just not being serious about it. Good friends, good streamer friends,
put a span here?
good follower friends, you know, community. people know that you don't mean bad stuff, so it's okay at that time.
ID.
My donut, my macaron is not crispy enough, design-wise. I don't know how to make it
Pastry
crispier.
name.
Be
You don't know how to
crispier.
make it crispier.
Be
You put it
crispy.
longer in the oven,
No.
so the
I
water
bake it. I bake the
evaporates.
texture. Ah, that's why.
Does that work?
Oh, Nightbot did something.
Oh, thank you, Nightbot.
Thank you, Nightbot.
And
again.
Nightbot does a lot right now.
Nightbot is working today.
Okay.
Wow, normally it doesn't do anything. Nightbot doesn't do shit except banning people for stupid reasons.
You know why he's doing something? He's seeing that we can code bots, and he's scared that we will replace
He's
him.
scared.
He's scared.
He's like, I be nice. Please don't
Okay, that worked.
bot me out. Bad one. He's trying to.
He's protecting his job.
Yeah.
It's job protection. So, do I do it like that simply?
Does it mean we are powerful as humans?
For a
Do we
few
have the
more
power?
years, we will be okay.
Just a few more years? Oh, damn. Not enough time to be prepared for the tech Armageddon.
Pastry.id, I guess that's what I would write.
Crispy macaron, crispy macaron.
Okay, so what I'm doing right now is trying to, when I click on waffle, for instance, on the next page it should say waffle here. It didn't.
It should
Of course.
say what you buy. That would be a better shopping experience for people.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
it's a Kinder Surprise, just like the Harry Potter beans that we just bought.
But it didn't
It's
work.
another challenge thingy that we will put. I will show you for the new people.
Ah, yes.
We bought these Harry Potter beans.
Just go to the main. view.
It's okay. It's big enough, I think.
No, not if you have a phone.
Like that.
Mm.
And then there are some that is like the ingredients. I don't think it can manage to
Be red. Yeah.
pick it up, but there are like ear stuff, vomit, and dirt, booger, things like that. But Draz says that they don't really taste much, so we will see.
I have them here. Okay. Go back to.
Aye! My
Stay.
microphone!
Uh,
You hit my microphone.
did I? Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry, everyone. Ah, that's the. We have too much stuff on this desk. Okay.
Stream
This is-
issues.
this is the
Bam,
beans?
bam, bam, bam. Oh wow, that's so expensive. Did we buy that? No.
Copy image. That will be easier. It's the same, right? Bertie's bot.
Yeah.
Okay.
Betty bought beans, yeah.
Those are the
Those
taste
are
in
the
it.
flavors, yes.
Banana, black pepper, blueberry. All of those are okay.
Black
Pepper. Black pepper.
Pepper!
Black pepper may be a bit weird.
Oh wow.
Booger.
I don't know. How does booger taste? Salty?
You don't know how the booger taste?
Salty?
Probably.
I don't know.
Candy floss.
Candy
Cherry.
floss?
Cinnamon. Candy floss. What is candy floss?
I don't know.
Google to the rescue. Candy floss. It's someone. Maybe it's too.
Does she taste?
It's
Does she taste?
Barba Papa.
Ah, Barba Papa. Cotton
that's
candy.
good.
Okay.
Cotton candy.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Candy floss.
It's like whipped sugar. We have a different name here. Cherry, cinnamon. I will hate cinnamon probably.
It's called. It's funny how it's called. Barba Papa means the beard of daddy.
Yeah, daddy's beard.
Dad's beard.
Yeah.
Because it's like fluffy and like big and it's weird.
Papa is more
Why-
daddy than dad.
Papa is dad, yeah.
It's daddy.
Daddy? Ah,
Yes.
okay.
Dad is
It
père.
sounds at worse. Oh, daddy's beard. Ugh.
Yeah, it's the children way of saying it.
Yeah.
Dirt
Now
and
that we're
earth
adults,
wrong.
I just see the naughty version of it. Daddy's beard. Daddy's home.
Dirt, earworm, earwax, grass, all of those seems bad. You heard it called like that.
Yeah?
Barba papa.
Barba papaya. That's the French one.
Green apple.
French one.
That's okay. That's okay too. Marshmallow. Rotten egg. Drasil said it's good.
Yeah, that's on it. Drazil said that it's yummy. I don't know why.
Sausage.
How it's yummy,
That may
but-
be good too. Lemon. Soap. Ah, soap.
Soup.
Do we have soap on that one?
Yeah, we do.
Oh my. I don't want
know
to
how
put a
it's
piece of soap in
taste.
my
It's
mouth.
chemical, I guess.
Tutti frutti. Vomit.
That's fine.
And watermelon.
Vomit will taste like, I guess, like, I don't know.
Like vomit.
Plenty mixed things.
Depends what you
cannot-
ate
That
before.
you cannot identify. Oh! If you had alcohol or not. If you had
I need
mojito,
to make a
it
dollar
should taste good
a
actually.
sharp in front.
Minty and lemony, refreshing.
Vomit is so gross. I'm afraid.
Well, that's why we will make them a bit expensive. So
But it will be a
But it's
channel
really-
point, so it will be
it's-
free.
yeah, with the channel points.
You got it once. It actually tastes. It tastes like actually bile. Ah,
What is bile?
the stomach acid.
No. I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, so I
Okay.
have to go to the source here and put a breakpoint because it doesn't work. Awesome. So, maybe text doesn't work for
Awesome.
spam. And I have to put, ouch.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, maybe I have to change the inner HTML or the content. YOLO.
You.
Doesn't work. That's correct, right? We have
Developer with Tobugis. YOLO. Do whatever you want. You live only
content
once.
equal bile, the word of the day.
No.
No, still doesn't work.
Stomach acid, huh?
How do I change the jQuery? Change content span. Go. That's why I don't like JavaScript. Text. It's text.
100 reasons why Togis don't like JavaScript.
Look at that.
Next stream coming soon.
I have an object. I go to a property and I
Yes.
equal it to a value. But actually, it's not a property, but it's a setter function. And you have to do it like that, just to be different.
Just to be hip.
Look, will it work? Cross your fingers.
No.
Waffle, yes, it works.
Non-pug.
Perfect. Perfect. So now I just have to do the same for all.
Java, you are
the whole
unhomied.
page. Hmm?
You're unhomied, Java.
It's JavaScript.
Yes, JavaScript, sorry.
Java is good.
Yes, Java is good.
Okay. So I just have to do the same for
Java goes to heaven, JavaScript goes to hell.
for this picture, which will be the pastry pic. And then I will have to make okay, first one thing at a time. Let's do the picture. That was my mouse falling. Don't mind me.
Because things happen in the stream.
Build menu, here I build the picture. So
Okay.
I guess if I were a JavaScript developer,
Mhm.
I would put src and then the picture. but
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 that's not how real life works.
maybe it is. We never know.
Mhm.
I will test image here. Okay, pastry.image, because the attribute that I'm trying to change is src. Right. Right. So I hope that when I select a waffle
Mm-hmm.
and
It's
I
a waffle.
push play, it's a waffle. And no, it's not.
Mm-hmm. It's a waffle.
It's a waffle. And no, it's not. It's a waffle. And it's a waffle. And I push play, it's a waffle. And no, it's not. 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 Yes, but just because I made a typo, so that's good.
Okay, cool.
It doesn't mean that when I correct the typo, it will work.
Okay, I think I'm ready to show my macaron, but I don't know if it's enough.
SRC is not a function. So we go back to why I hate JavaScript.
Reason number 53.
Change content, change SRC EMG.
Well, good that there are solutions on
Yes.
World Wide Web.
And the method is attributes SRC and then the picture. Because why
Make it complicated.
do one way one stuff and the other way another stuff? Right?
I don't know.
Woohoo! We have a waffle!
Looks good.
Awesome.
On the black charcoal looking background that I have to design myself again. Because we just use something random for now. But I would like to do my own design on Photoshop.
Blackboard.
Chalkboard background, yeah.
So now I just have to replace those stuff on this page. And then we will have all the page dynamically build it. Hey, should we show your progress a bit?
Sure.
Save.
Do you think it's crispier? Does it look crispier? I feel like it's not looking crispier.
Is it saved?
Wait, just a second before I put myself out there for criticism. I'm stressed. Wait.
You better be.
I feel like I'm in being judged again in design school.
We will rate your design from 1 to 0.
Please rate me like minimum 7, please.
7
Okay, it's
out of
saved.
100.
It's saved.
And
I lost my light.
is it?
There's not a light. What
Okay.
happened to my light?
Correct it and then I show.
Oh, damn it. What happened to my light? That's weird.
Sorry.
That's... What?
Do I have it here?
My light is off. It's not though. All of
No,
them
I
are
don't have it.
working?
I don't have your light.
That's weird. What did I do? What the fuck?
But it's somewhere here. There's a lamp.
Yeah, there. That's so weird. Okay.
Okay,
don't
you
know.
fix that at your ease and I continue coding and then we show.
I don't think I cancelled them.
Okay,
Why is it dark?
so now when I open the donut, I need to replace those three lines.
Just show it without the rendering.
Yes. Okay. Here.
So the
Progress.
foot is a bit crispier now.
At least you have a foot now.
Yeah.
So
It's a little bit distinguished.
yes.
It's like it just shows that it's something different.
Should you make
But
it?
it should be bigger, I think.
It should be a bit bigger
bit
and maybe
bolder,
a bit
yeah.
lighter. The color.
Yeah, a bit.
If you change
maybe
the color,
darker. Darker. It should be darker, I think. No,
If we look at
because
macaron, I don't know.
those are darker.
Yeah, dark. It depends of.
Yeah, I don't
darker.
know.
I think darker. You're right.
They're kind of darker, one tone darker. Okay, I can
Yeah,
do that.
they're kind of darker. If you change the color, it may work.
Yeah. I will make it thicker and a bit more like oomph in your face and then darker. Cool.
Yes.
Food porn today.
Also, but that may be harder for you. I feel that
Why don't I have the light?
sometimes in some macaron, this foot is not flush with the shell.
Going out
It's either going out a
Yeah.
bit, either going in a bit, in both direction. But I think for you, you could extrude it outside.
Yeah.
Just extrude it outside, and it just millimetric, but it may help as well.
I should just play with it, yeah.
Yeah.
A bit more.
The macaron will be coming back soon.
Macaron, coming soon.
Please enjoy while waiting this dog is trying to code a bit.
A bit.
So I will do exactly the same as I did before for the menu here. So I should only leave the row and the columns for this option system. So I will just leave the column, and inside this column I will duplicate a template, and this will be the template here. Okay, so I will go back where I have all my templates here, and make a new constant. Pastry ingredient option.
This is the music I put
template.
for boss fight.
This is very
I like it though. Let's listen. I chose it for boss fight, so we have this like cinematic epic battle fight.
What do I have to replace to escape? Yeah, that.
Escape!
Escape a character. Okay. See. Didn't work. Ah, yes.
Uh-oh.
No, that's normal. I have to do it here. Oh, this is a mess. But okay. No. Ah! Okay, let's do that in Notepad++. That will be easier. So what I want is to put on top of on the beginning of all of this a quote, and at the end of all of this a quote plus. Okay. Let's see. And this should be my template in code. Perfect. That works.
Cool,
Just
cool,
for
cool.
consistency, I will I will move it. So I also have to change the different information, real information with templated numbers. So do I change that? Yes, 1, 2. So that will be the ID. And that will be the name. So I need the ID here. Do they have to be on the same radio? Yes. But the ID has to be different. And the value has to be different, okay. ID has to be that. Value to be that. That will be the name. 1. That's the cost. 2. And those are the name, the ID again. Okay, I hope it will work. I copy this line. I modify it. I go back to my build menu. Not my build menu, but my build ingredients page. And I paste it here. So I want the ID. As the first one, I want the pastry ID. Yes. And then the pastry bits. Okay. And that has to be, I will do pastry that I can have different, different count of option per stuff. Options for each function, pastry option, function, and then we do that.
Epic is telling me new in game Fortnite Chapter 2 Season 8. Cool.
Cool.
I don't really play Fortnite, but thank you
Thank
very
you
much.
for Fortnite. And then I have to add it to the end of an HTML.
Yeah, I think my macaroni is nice and crispy now.
Can I have an index like that? Okay, how do I pick the correct shelf? It's this column, I need to give it an ID, and it will be pastry. Ingredient page, pastry, options. You're doing good?
I'm doing good.
You found back your light?
No, I didn't. I didn't even try to fix it.
Okay.
That's weird. Everything is on, but it just doesn't take it.
Let pastry option call that. I will just concatenate the new one each time. Generate the HTML with all and do that.
Oh, I'm getting
Okay.
hot.
Sorry?
I'm a bit hot. I will open the door.
Yeah. Okay. Like always, let's not double check. Let's just run it to see if it works. Okay. It doesn't work. Unrecognized ingredient pastry page pastry option. Okay. Doesn't exist because I need to do that. Hey! Okay. It's good. We have 3 options that has been generated. I can select them all. That's an issue that I had sometimes. But I didn't put the correct number of argument in it. So I need...
Oh wait, it's raining. I think.
Is it? I need 3 arguments. Let's check. I can check my template actually in Notepad. No, I cannot. I cannot. Let's copy it in Notepad so I have it somewhere. Okay, so the first argument should be the ID, simply. The second argument should be the name. And the third argument should be the bits. So that's correct, I believe, from what I did. Name, it's just the bits that didn't work. So probably it's because in the option, it's called bits. I will debug it.
It's not raining. I was scared because I left the saw outside.
Ah, yeah, an
and
electric
I
machine.
don't want it to break. Normally it rains tomorrow, but I was like, no. I will take it after the stream. I'm a bit paranoid about it.
I know what's happening. It's not pastry. Here I have to make pastry.options and then the ID of the option, which is I. Okay. We have to take it after the stream, yes. Directly.
Yeah, for sure, just in case if it rains. I don't want it to break, we just bought it. And it works good, I'm happy with it, so I don't want to invest it again.
Cannot read property of undefined. It's not options. I did log the pastry, right? Yes. Options 012. Okay, wait. That's pastry option. Yes, I have it here, so I should use this one directly. Because I made a for each. Doesn't exist. Already declared.
Already declared. Oh.
Yeah, okay, yeah. It's the data and then the template, so. Awesome! It absolutely doesn't work.
Yay!
This is perfect.
Great. That's what we always think it should be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We log it. Zero, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I reversed the order of the for each, I think. GS for each. For each element, it's element and then index and not index and then element. That's the problem I have since the beginning. Okay. Woohoo!
Okay.
Donut 1, donut 2, donut 3
Uh-huh.
with the bits.
Yay.
Well, I should put better names than donut 1, donut 2,
Yeah,
donut
yeah,
3.
yeah.
But,
It's working though.
It's working.
That's really
And
good.
if I go to waffle, waffle 1, waffle 2, waffle 3. That's amazing. In
Yummy.
the
Give me all.
I will just change something. So, no, I don't. Okay.
You go with it.
I go with it. I go with it for now.
Until I'm not satisfied.
Okay, now if I click waffle 2 and I click buy,
Yeah.
I should retrieve the information of which one is selected to send it to the Twitch API to say what I want to buy.
Otherwise it's a scam and people will have to buy all the whole shop. And they're like, what?
But
And
it's
they ended up
already good.
sending like 10,000 bits or something.
I'm
And
making
they're like,
progress.
what just happened?
I'm making progress.
The
Okay.
book is scam.
Slow progress because it's so hard to speak and code.
Cheating with sweet stuff.
So what happened when I pressed that button?
What happened?
It's a purchase item.
Good that we push all the buttons before people try to buy stuff.
Purchase item
Just
in
in
function
case.
purchase item. It checked the token authorization. It checked that we have bits enabled. And it gets the SKU, which is selected pastry ID, which is incorrect. Which is incorrect. Because selected pastry ID is not the SKU. It is
Jump,
the ID.
jump, jump, jump along. Ah, your character jumps funny.
Does
it? The Among Us character. Is,
Oh, cool. Hey, you got it. Congrats.
It jumps like at the end of the jump. It makes like boop boop. Cute.
So this will be wrong. Yeah, this is a number 2.
Huh.
I just have to find out what is the value of that selection.
Monday vibes, people. Monday party.
Oh,
Come
we are
on.
Monday, right?
Get your hands
I'm not
up.
used to stream
Woohoo.
Monday.
Yeah, we never did anything Monday. Normally we are like, after weekend I worked, so. I
Can we
just
check
need
the
to rest."
chart? How many gold you have? Sure.
How many gold do you have?
Let me do that.
Can you see that?
Maybe. Maybe I have to go to Twitch here.
Oh.
So we can have one more viewer. Me.
You'll be spying in private.
Where are the charts?
Pay attention to the sound.
Yeah, I don't have sound from this computer.
Yeah, okay. It's just my computer today.
Do you know where are the charts?
Top 10 list in the app. Yeah. Where was it?
Where is the chart?
I don't remember.
Can you check the chart? How many gold I have? You mean
Top
in
10 list in Stream Avatar,
in
maybe.
Stream Avatar?
We had it at some point.
Oh, we have quite a lot. Stream avatar, okay.
Do we still have it?
And leaderboard, probably?
Leaderboard,
Yes,
yeah.
leaderboard. That's the one you want, right?
Yeah, okay.
Let's open it in a small window.
And waiting. We have a lot of money.
Isn't it supposed to work?
I don't know. Things that's supposed to work
Yay.
doesn't work sometimes.
Leaderboard. You have 9,431 gold.
Ooh, after you, it's imaginary.
Yes.
And then me. Sometimes when I mod.
we have us,
on
but we
the-
don't count as we
Yeah,
are not
no.
in the
We
chat.
are cheating.
That's
we are
the
very
debug
sus.
gold. Cool.
Nice.
That's how rich you are.
Yeah, we didn't put new stuff in Stream Avatar. We should for rich people.
Mm-hmm.
Some expensive things, but we don't know what yet. Maybe a waffle for sub people. Super poor, come on, shut up. You are the richest in waffles and Stream Avatar.
There's not much here. Little hat. Yeah, let's change my hat.
Hey, me too. Me too.
I will have a wizard hat and as mask
Ah, cool.
horse. No, it's not good.
You have a blonde hair for now for me. Okay,
A
changed.
oh, that's cool. A beard, but I don't like the color.
See you later, Imaginary.
See you later.
Thanks for coming. Hope it was a little bit of fun at least.
Good.
You're a blue wizard.
I'm a blue wizard.
You're wizard the blue.
I'm Yoda. Yoda is green.
You're Gandalf the blue.
I'm green now. Cool.
That's funny. It's cute.
Okay. So we were here.
We were counting.
Just right for next time to do. This is incorrect. Selected pastry ID is the
You
ID
just remembered you
of
can
the
make your own little
pastry
characters. Yes, you
in
can.
config. Yeah. Don't you have one? I thought you had one already. Yeah, you have a.
No, I think you're a are you a he or a she, Blue Satire? I don't know.
They.
Blue Satire wants to add something, a character, I think,
She.
right?
Yes.
She, okay. I think she means, what's the name? To add character, to design stuff, right?
Mm.
I don't know. Maybe you can import. Yeah, you can import. That's what we are thinking to do. We are thinking to design new stuff that's just like with waffles, with
Yeah.
some stuff that represent our channel, things like that, new characters. For
I-
example, I did Togis and me in a 3D, in a block bench.
Yeah, I will show.
And that's the follow animation. When somebody follows, we pop out. So we would like to add things like that to the, like a fun, another type of blockman, the white one, but just like 3D
Do
blockman.
you
that
have the block
yeah,
bench?
that's good, I guess. Do
Do
you
you
want to
have-
show the 3D?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Visuals? What visuals? Maybe. I don't know.
Organization
More
from who?
organization. You keep moving, so I have no idea.
Avatar, block bench. No, we are not there. Did you leave them in Civitae? In 70? In the.
Wait, let me find it and I will tell you.
Yes.
Because you are going everywhere and I don't know where it is. But yes, we are thinking to add our own things too.
think
If you have any design that you would like us to add as like a community stuff, we could add it.
Yeah,
But
if you have your own.
you can also have your own stream avatar too, of course, on your own channel.
Mhm.
You are streaming, I guess, if I
Yeah,
know
yeah.
correctly.
Yeah, she's streaming.
We followed you.
if you need info how to use Stream Avatar, feel free to ask me on Discord as well. We can help.
Yeah.
Some stuff are a bit tricky, but mostly it's easy.
Some stuff, yeah. Adding new stuff is kind of tricky sometimes.
Yeah.
We had a bit of trouble with the avatar, the Among Us avatar characters, but we figured it out. Well, Togis figured it out because I don't get it.
Wait.
I got it at some point, but I didn't get that. There was like tiny red blotches, and we were like, where they come from?
I have it here. Togis 3D model, Boo 3D model.
Okay.
Here it is, the 3D model that Boo made in Blockbench.
Blockbench.
Cute. And we would like to make our avatar like that. And I will open...
Not just our avatar, but just like,
That's me.
things. Just things that people can buy, change their hair, maybe instead of red t-shirt, they can just change the color blue and add their own features, glasses,
black.
this and that. So it's just a 3D. Oh, yeah. Oh, oops.
I have a black line on the back, you never told me.
And your haircut is completely... Did you see?
Yes, there. Good
You are
that
getting
you only
bald.
see me on the front.
You are getting bald, honey, from the back.
Those are so nice.
Oh, boy.
This is from a project that we did
Yeah, I give you a bad haircut. I'm sorry.
for a game jam.
Mm-hmm.
And it was date night. We did this game 6 months ago now for a game jam, and it was all with blocky look. So
you can play it. I put the
we
link.
We did kind of the same look for our own avatar.
Yeah, there's the character there, the guy.
Yeah,
so small,
that
but
guy,
yeah.
very small.
So I just modified it and made Togis and me.
Yeah, I think I
different
may
forms.
have it him. I have the boss here.
Yeah, I think you have
That's
it
this
somewhere.
guy.
Boss, yeah.
And in the recent...
Yes, he's sitting. Oh, I'm doing a better job now. Now that I see the old model, I'm like, hey, I actually evolved. Main character there.
Here.
Down?
That one, right?
No, go down. Main character. Up.
Wait.
Yes.
It was main character I was on, so I don't know why you say no.
No, you went to boss.
Main character.
Uh-huh.
That's what I was clicking.
What? Click again?
Yes, here it is.
Yes.
I just had to click
That's
this
the
card.
worker that's like not happy.
Yeah.
Not happy to work.
That's the main character of our old game, Date Night, that we would like to continue
Yeah.
once we have time.
Yeah.
After this extension, I think we will go back to it.
Yeah, I think we will go back to it.
So now that we force ourselves to make a
streams
to
Mondays.
make a dev stream on Monday, it will motivate us and put it back on our mind.
Definitely.
But yeah. And this is the office where the game happens.
Game has happened.
The game take place.
The game take place and tortures workers to say you cannot go out because you didn't finish your work.
It's cute, huh? This program is super easy to use for beginner too if you don't know 3D modeling, etc.
Blockbench is so fun.
It's made for Minecraft modder at the basic.
Mm-hmm.
So you really just build everything with cubes, and you move the cubes around, and it's quite easy.
I learned it in 3 days during the jam, actually.
Mm-hmm.
And that's all the thing that I did during 3 days. Mostly 2 days, and then the other day was like testing game and trying to find music, sound, this and that.
I learned it
Touches.
because I had to build some 3D model for a Minecraft mod, which I'm contributing to.
Ah, yeah.
And
the killer thing.
yeah, the graveyard
The
with
graveyard.
graves, etc. for mine colonies.
It's really nice.
And so I made those graves. This one is the decaying one, and that's the workstation. It's a coffin with a shovel in it. Very simple. I don't have the colors here, but
So cute.
okay.
Back to work.
Back to work. This is your workstation.
Ah,
You work as a
you
as
are
a
dead.
grave digger? Could I have
You
some
you
water?
are dead inside. Are you? You're working in a hospital, right? Are you
Mhm.
working in morgue, or is it just a joke that you are saying you're dead inside?
I think.
I'm getting creeped up right now. Well,
Wiki,
what's your job
okay,
exactly?
Yard.
Tell us about your job.
Undertaker, yeah. This is the model, but with colors. Yeah, you work in the hospital, but which part of
What
it?
do you do there? What's your job?
Building,
Do you just kill people? Do you just bury people?
graveyard.
Do you
Ah, yeah,
tag
this is the
dead
workstation
people?
with colors.
Mm.
Oops, it's behind us. Yeah, there. So if you want to do something like that in 3D, this program is super easy.
Yes, Blockbench I recommend. It was very easy to learn and it's fun. There is animation, this and that. I think at some point you have to put animation.
Do we have the animation on the character? I think so. I can show that.
Yeah, I don't think it's fun.
Okay.
It was my first animation. He's just like a little hopping and then
It's okay. It's
moving
better
his
than
arms.
nothing.
Nah.
Where do I go again?
Main character BB.
Animate. Yeah,
Yeah.
I can play it.
Animate, yes.
You can
and then play
Make
button.
small animation like that.
Voila.
It's not perfect, of course, because we made that in a rush for the game jam
Yeah.
in 48 hours.
I had
So
to finish it before.
We did what we could, but that's already it
He's
gives a
just
bit of
walking.
life in the game.
You take bodily fluids and order tests to be performed. I see.
Mm.
Oh. Interesting.
So you draw blood from people, etc.
Not just blood, I would
Mhm.
say. No, I don't
Everything.
know. Everything, yeah.
Okay.
Even the
Sometimes.
bone marrow.
You seem to like it.
Feeding bone marrows. Okay, I think my donut is good. My macaron is good. Do you wanna show
Yep,
the
save it.
macaron one last time?
Yeah, after I think
Without
we will
the-
slowly stop the stream
Yeah, I think.
because we are working tomorrow.
Yeah.
Where was it? It was in visual, right?
Visuals, patisserie. Visuals.
Patisserie.
Visuals. And then macaron. Macaron blend.
Since you don't have a strong sense of smell, you often put on poop duty. Oh,
Oh.
and shifty. Ah, no.
Yeah,
there's
that
no
I
light.
didn't fix it. I will try to fix
Okay.
it.
So here's the macaron for today.
Yes.
Good night. We are just showing off the
finishing
macaron
the
and leaving
stream
as well.
too, Yeah.
And thanks again for
Good night,
everything.
Brazil. Thanks for the donation. I will try to be nice to
Wow, she said thanks.
you. Wow.
This is the state of the macaron for now. We will keep working on it, of course.
I
We
will
will
just-
make multiple variation.
I will make like a stacks of them, stuff like that.
Mhm.
For the box, if you want to buy box version of it.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know, yellow, pink, and
So
things like that.
today we didn't make a lot of progress because, well, I didn't
think
make
we
a
did.
lot of progress
I
because
think it's fine.
I had to remind myself how
All
the code
blue.
works. But at least now, between the different page of the extension, we have the ability to switch to have the information carry between each other. So if I select waffle, I see a waffle, and if I select donut, I see a donut. That's that's not huge, but that's very good for a
That's
start.
important.
We also did the donut, blue, Yoda donut, but that's a secret. And next time, I guess we continue working on this. On next Monday, we will really try hydrate everything at the
Hydrate.
same time.
Woo.
Cheers!
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Next time, we will keep working on this extension until it's finished. I think we will not
Abandon the ship this time.
sorry. I clicked the wrong button.
What's happening?
My mouse. arm move when I was clicking far away. Next time we will keep working on this extension, and I really want to manage to finish it, have it on the channel, just because it will be fun, just to have something we created together.
Of course.
After
I agree.
You're
I'm
busy doing
I'm trying
something
to
else.
put
You
it
can
on
do that
Discord.
after.
Yes, I'm trying to put it on Discord. Yes.
You can do that after.
Thanks everybody for coming. It was really, really nice to see you and chat with you.
Yes.
And Mondays, new schedule, dev stream. Wednesdays and Saturday we continue having fun, playing games, making indie game showcases and stuff like that.
Yes, something we will do is for the few next stream that are gaming stream, I think we will make a more traditional games than what we do in IGC.
Showcase, not showcase,
we
but
will not make a showcase, but we will go back to our old classics. We didn't decide it yet what, but it's one of the one that are in the list.
Yeah, we have Rimworld, Valheim, Prison Architect, stuff like that. So I don't know which one would you be interested to see more?
Yes, but we will probably make a vote on Discord the day before or tomorrow or just the hour before the stream.
Yeah, like we always do things last second.
And we will probably make 2 or 3 streams of one game because we want to be able to dig our teeth into one game for more than one stream, just for a little while.
Yeah, just have the fun and not to constantly change. So yeah.
Okay.
See you Wednesday.
See you Wednesday.
With one of those games.
Meanwhile, continue painting. It's great. Continue having fun. Continue stealing the blood of people. It's very cool. And see you very soon.
See you.
Have a great Monday
Ciao,
or time
ciao.
zone. Bye bye.
Bye bye everyone.